Today I'm going to show you how to set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp, step by step, so every new subscriber gets a professional first impression without you having to send messages manually. This is one of the easiest ways to save time, stay consistent, and make sure new contacts hear from you right away. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I post simple software walkthroughs that help you work faster. Let's jump in. First, sign into your Mailchimp account. Open your web browser, go to Mailchimp, and log in with your email address and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll be ready to build your automation. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click Automations. From there, select Flow Templates. This is where Mailchimp keeps its ready-made automation templates, and it's the fastest way to set up a welcome email without starting from scratch. Now scroll down until you find the section called Find and Welcome New Contacts. In that section, choose the Welcome New Contacts template. Mailchimp will show you a preview of the workflow so you can see exactly how the automation is structured before you begin editing it. When you're ready, click Use this flow or continue into the flow editor. This opens Mailchimp's visual automation builder. You'll usually see a trigger at the start, such as signs up for email, followed by an action like send email. That's the basic welcome email automation, but the best part is that you can customize it however you want. If you want to make the workflow more powerful, you can add extra steps. On the left-hand toolbar, click Map and then drag in additional actions. For example, you can add a delay if you want the welcome email to go out a little later. You can send another email after that. You can add a conditional split to send people down different paths based on their behavior. You can set a wait time between messages. You can even add tags to organize your audience. This is where you can shape the automation to fit your marketing strategy. Now click the Signs Up for Email trigger. This is the event that starts the automation. In the Settings window, review the trigger options carefully. If you want people who are imported into your list to receive the welcome email too, turn on Include Imported Contacts. That's important if you're moving subscribers into Mailchimp from another platform and still want them to get your automated message. Once everything looks correct, click Save Trigger. After that, click the Send Email action. This is where you'll configure the actual welcome message. Start by reviewing the email settings. Set the recipient rules, choose your from name, enter your from email address, write a clear subject line and add preview text if you want to improve open rates. You can also check the sending schedule and tracking options so the email performs the way you want. Now, once your trigger and email are set up, review every part of the automation one more time. Check the flow, confirm the trigger, make sure the email content is correct, and verify that your branding looks right. When everything is ready, save your changes. That final save is what locks in your automation and makes it live for new signups. If you see any prompts about upgrading your plan, make sure you review them carefully before continuing, especially if the feature you want depends on your Mailchimp subscription level. Always confirm what's included before moving forward. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp, customize the workflow, design your message and save everything properly. This is a simple but powerful automation that helps you greet new subscribers instantly and professionally. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.